Hello everybody, this is 5:30 from Bitcoin Geekend, and I just wanted to share some of the Bitcoin's price movement activities, etc. Okay, so seems like we are finally bottoming out of the Bitcoin's very heavy price drop that was streak for a couple of weeks, and right now we are inching up to 7,500, and which is a pretty good thing. The reason why I think this is the bottom is I am creating my own price signals that's based on hash rate and technicals and insiders speed and etc. And the last time the signal was appearing was the last time when the buy signal was 3:30 and sell signal was 5:07, and most recent time is a 5:27. So I actually created a YouTube public video for the Japanese audience that was printed on 5:27 just for the recording purposes, that hey, the buy signal is now appeared and our price is dropping. However, the price turn is very nearby, so I just published it, and it seems like it's coming in, which is a good thing. The most bullish part of the Bitcoin right now is a hash rate. If you go to blockchain.info, this is the 7-day average of hash rate, and hash rate is, there's no way slowing down, it's just only going up. This is the my valuation model, which is called, I call Multihash index, and that is calculated by hash rates multiply the number of users, and that usually comes with a 95% of the correlation between the Bitcoin price and its index. So I usually create a price signal that's based on this difference, and I create a buy sell signals, which is like this. Right, so the lowest low was 51% based on 526, and so what really is going on is the real Bitcoin price, which is hash rate, based on hash rate, is keep increasing, and it's already surpassed the highest high. However, right now a lot of like a new regulation is coming in, or like last December, a lot of people bought Bitcoin with debt, or like a little bit fiercely. So that made this histogram really spiked to upward. That means it shows like the biggest bubble was like a December 28, and where the people was buying like fiercely. However, the price was showing a little bit more, the peaking out, and now it's pretty much the dollar amount is the same with this spread, and I was checking at it, and so I just posted to my Facebook group that hey, 526, 527 number is telling Bitcoin is bottoming out, because the exact same diversion from the theory price is printed within the December. That was upward divergence. Right now it's a lower divergence, and now it's bottoming out. So as of now, we are just looking at a very small movement, and if you look at a technical type of the chart, it doesn't really look like a significant movement right now. Probably the majority of the people look at a trend line like this, and the upper trend line comes down. So probably for a while, the price movement will be, probably much restricted around this area and moves like a little bit in a range mode. That's probably the case. However, the one thing for sure is I was looking at all the numbers, and I just created a little another spreadsheet, and right. So this price chart shows the difference between the Bitcoin's multi-hash index and the Bitcoin price itself. And I was looking at the numbers, and the lowest low that printed was 526. That was 92% below zero. So how far we need to move back to see the same number was, let's just go back to history, right? They just go back to history, and here, bam. What's the last time that's the multi-hash index, the difference of the price was below 90% was December 18th, 2015, when the Bitcoin price was 197 or 211 or somewhere around. So what we saw right now is yes, we saw a huge spike of the price last December, and right after the peak, CME's future market started, and that was a peak of the price, right? And right after that, price tumbled down to 6,400, and it's not moving back up right now. However, the thing is, it seems like number is showing this was a Mount Gox, and this is really the bottom. And I mean, that's it's not a like a 1/6 of the price. It just went down. We just experienced just about 1/3 of the price, right? We are now 7,000, and the peak was 20,000. So that's pretty much 3 times, right? However, the Mount Gox price was 1,200 to 200, so that was 1/6. So the impact is half. However, the magnitude that really price is containing is pretty much the same. So if that is the case, if the price is 200 here and the price went up to 20,000, so we see the 100 times jumps once again. So if that is the case, you know, we are now experiencing $7,000 US Bitcoin price. So will it go to 700,000? I don't know. I don't think. However, well, we could reasonably saying that if we are sitting right in a point where the Mt. Gox is down, the price was really hitting the bottom. Only the way we see is the upward. There's no way going down more than that, more than this. So probably for a while, maybe one month or 2 months, price may go sideways. And it's gonna be within the range mode, as you see all the technical price chart is right there. Yeah, just like this. So for a while, people having a lot of damage of the buying high, people probably will sell the Bitcoin where the price comes nearby like a 10,000 or 9,000, I believe. And however, after all the washouts finished, magnitude of the upward thrust is already there, just like after the Mt. Gox era. So I think it's reasonably, we can say that we can surpass the highest high of this price pretty easily, simply because this multi-hash index already surpassed a all-time high already. So that means the price will pretty soon will surpass this 20,000 level, and it may goes to 3 times or 5 times or 10 times. I have no idea. It's already it's not the same as 2015 where the market cap is just a teeny small cap. We are now having a couple $1 trillion market cap. It's a little bit different. However, I think at least we're gonna pass this all-time high of the price again pretty soon, and then after that it's gonna maybe a couple of times, like maybe 50,000 or 10,000. I have no idea. However, we just need to look at a hash rate, and hash rate is the money, right? And we can say that is a hash rate is right or something, or we can say that, however, number is setting, these two numbers has got a correlation. I just laid out all the numbers, and I went back to all the history from 2018 to 2010, and I just took correlation numbers, and the correlation was more than 95%. So that means the hash rate goes up, multi-hash index goes up, the price needs to follow. And if the hash rate goes down, things may change, but it doesn't seem like it's slowing down. So that I think it's yes, if we look at only the price, it looks like a really poor market right now, but it's not. It's within the inside. It has got so much big trust is there. So let's enjoy how the market behave, right? Okay, so I just wanted to share some of my Bitcoin views. So I just created this video on 5:30, and this is at 12:26 at JST. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys enjoy Bitcoin. All right, bye bye.